Cooking. Mystery. Think about a meal that you would want to make. Who would you cook for? What do they like? Who will help you when you cook? What ingredients do you have at home? When I brainstormed, I decided that I wanted to make okonomiyaki. I know this picture is hiroshimayaki, but just imagine it's okonomiyaki. So I need to think, what do I need to make this? I need cabbage, flour, eggs, pork, sauce, mayonnaise. Next, I'm going to make a list of this. So I need cabbage, flour, eggs, pork, sauce, mayonnaise. Next, I need to find out how much each of these costs. So cabbage, I think, costs about 170 yen. Flour, about 300 yen. Eggs are about 214 yen. Pork is about 300 yen. Sauce is about 300 yen. And mayonnaise is also about 300 yen. And we will find the total for it all later, but together. But you should find the total for your items first, because you need to know if it's more or less than 2,000 yen. But as you know, you're not going to use a whole cabbage, and you're not going to use all the flour or all the sauce. So let's find out what the real cost is. So I'm guessing that I'm going to use about a half a cabbage, and that costs about 85 yen, I think. And flour, I think I'll use about a fifth, and that's about 60 yen. And eggs, I think I'll use 2 eggs, so that's about 42.8, rounding up to 43 yen. Pork is I'm gonna use all the pork in the package, so that will be 300 yen. The sauce, I'm probably gonna use about a third, so that's 100 yen. And mayonnaise, I'll probably also use a third. And again, you should find out the real cost at this point in your assignment, but you can hold off for now. So I have these 2 questions here. These are your questions as I send you away. What are the totals for these 2? What is the total cost and what is the real cost? I would like you to go and make your family a meal or a dish, add it up, and then follow the directions in Seesaw to find out the rest of the directions on the assignment. Good luck.